Tea, coffee.
No, thank you. Haven't quite mastered tea yet. I'm used to it coming in a pitcher, full of ice cubes and lemon wedges. Well, it's a whole different thing here.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I hope it's all right. I haven't quite figured out tea yet, so.
It's fine, dear.
Dinner?
Tastes good to me. Yeah, I'll make tea.
No!
I'll make it. You, make sure these two don't chop their fingers off.
I know that you start early on Thursdays, so I thought I'd bring you some coffee. You might like it. Cheers. Cheers. I'm not the best at coffee either.
So you just got up with the sun and you're tiptoeing around the kitchen making awful coffee by yourself just to come say hi at 6 in the morning for no particular reason. Poppins, you flirt.
I wanted to start doing something right, so I thought I'd start with coffee.
You sure about that?